Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the system ready. Update one UI and app so widgets behave predictably. Once done, install a creator app like KWGT or use Samsung Good Lock for extra options. Now long press an empty home screen area, tap widgets, and pick a base widget size. This creates the placeholder you need. Make sure permissions are granted for storage and layouts so you can import or save custom widget packs. This prevents errors later and speeds the creative steps ahead. You now move into design. Tap the widget placeholder and choose Edit to open the editor. Use imported presets or add elements manually, text, image, shapes, or layered PNGs for that cute look. Once elements are in place, tweak size, padding, font, and color to match your wallpaper. This ensures visual cohesion. Also set tap actions and refresh intervals for live data. Make iterative checks on the home screen. Small adjustments here lock in alignment and interaction behavior. You finish by saving and exporting your widget so it's reusable, export as a preset or XML and back it up. Once placed, test taps and data refresh to confirm it behaves and doesn't drain battery. Lower refresh rates if you see battery impact. If things go wrong, clear the host app cache, remove and re-add the widget, or reinstall KWGT/goodlock. That often restores functionality. Finally, make a small change and resave so your cute widget stays consistent across.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.